One more.
Oh my god, it's so difficult. Good morning from Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria. Today I've got an amazing story for you. It's all about the ancient cultural traditions here in Bulgaria, stuff that you probably have never seen before. But first, let me show you around town. One interesting thing about Sofia is that it's full of theaters. I mean, just look at this map. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 over there. I mean, I don't know if it's a Bulgarian thing to love music, but it all makes sense because the story that I want to share with you today is all about culture, music, and tradition. Let's go. I'm on my way to Chepelare, a small town in southern Bulgaria that is home to Ilya, a craftsman who has dedicated his entire life to honoring the Bulgarian bagpipe.
Казвам се Илия Очиков, свира на гайда от 35 години, но когато имам свободно време, заработвам гайдите. Винаги тук в нашия край е звучало гайда. Това е инструмента, който е веселял и сме го слушали като малки. На мен това ме е запленило и така до ден днешен. От хоби това ми стана работа, вече от работа това ми е удоволствие.
What's the process of making a bagpipe? Because you've got so many different tools, there's so many parts to every instrument. Where do you begin?
Като начало това е кожата. Това се първо се взима и се осолява, така че самата кожа да се запази. Тя се кисне, остригва се, изпира се хубаво.
Ilya buys the goat skins locally from his fellow villagers and gathers the wood by hand.
Тима си го набирам самичък, защото не от всяко дърво става гайда. Когато се отреже дървото, след това стои от 3 до 5 години, за да може да съхне. Тогава вече подлежи на някаква такава обработка.
This is the original piece of wood, and this is how it ends up, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, and this is perfect. Huh. Gosh, it's amazing how you can just take a piece of a tree from the forest and turn it into an instrument. That's a skill. That's incredible. That's craftsmanship.
Машинната част е тази, която виждате тук. Всичко друго се прави на ръка.
What comes next? What's the last stage?
Ето това, което го правих в началото. Е това, за да свири.
So cool! Oh my god.
Това е последното. Ето.
From what I have found out so far, it seems to me like one of the most important and key things about the bagpipes is that they are very time-consuming to make and they're customized. So, you know, you can go into any music shop and get yourself a guitar, but it doesn't seem to be that way with bagpipes. The instrument is very different.
Така е. Китарата е стандартна. За всички става, докато гаята стандартно само дървенията. Размерът на меха трябва да бъде различен.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So in that sense, when you play the bagpipes, they are kind of like an extension of you. They are so personal to you, your body, how you breathe, completely personalized.
Точно така. Значи гаята винаги стои от лявата страна, където е сърцето, за да можеш да чуваш самия звук. Ти тая музика, която я правиш и я предаваш, ще излиза от сърцето, за да можеш да го изкажеш през пръстите, за да може да достигне от мен до към теб и до всички други. Това наистина ти се сливаш с инструмента.
Ilya is about to show me one of the steps in bagpipe making. So I've the honor of tying the thread around the pipe. Oh my god, he does it so fast. What? You're so fast, I can barely see your hand. Okay, let's try this. 1, 2, 3. No! I broke it! So we've seen how it actually works, we've seen the process of making them, but now we're about to hear the most important thing, the sound itself. This music, it just makes me think of the mountains, nature, the forest. In my mind, it takes me to the top of a hill somewhere here in remote Bulgaria, surrounded by sheep and looking at the sunset. All that wonderful music has inspired us to get outdoors and take a look at the town from one of the hills that surround it. We just managed to reach the top of the hill, and this is the town behind us. And with this amazing view, we're going to learn how to play the bagpipes. Position is ready. You're gonna be proud of this. I'm about to fall. Oh my god, you really need super strong lungs to do this. Wow, I need to sit down. Oh, take it. Oh my god. Alright, I'm useless. I think we should leave this to the pros.
And now that he's taught me to play the bagpipe, Ilya won't let me leave before I get up and perform on stage.
Хайде ръката отпред пак тук.
I think this completes my initiation into Bulgarian culture. I've learned the basics of the Bulgarian bagpipe. I am now dressed in traditional Bulgarian clothes, and I think I'm ready for my grand performance. A little bit nervous. Let's do this. Well, there's no one here anyway. But since you're watching from home, make sure that you check out the next episode on Euronews Travel.